Okay, this is the Excel Candy Assessment Part 1. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into our Excel in 365 and we're going to open a blank workbook. Okay? Once the blank workbook is open, make sure that you have this simplified ribbon on, and then you're going to come over here and go to File, Save As, and we're going to rename it Joe Student Candy, and make sure that you put it in your period 1 file like so. Now notice it has changed from book 4 to Joe Student Candy. Now you're going to notice that there are columns and rows. Okay, A, B, C, D, those are columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 are rows. Okay, when I click on A1, that is called a cell. Okay, and you can type in cells. And we are going to type, for the first part of our thing, we're going to type in candy, hit tab, and notice that moves us to B1, and we're going to put in size, tab, C1, number, tab, cost each, tab, total cost. And if I hit enter, notice how it drops it down. So the first part of our assignment is quite simply starting our first row. If you look at the first part of your directions, it shows you, it gives you all of the information first, and then it moves into the directions. Okay, so it says, okay, these are the 25 candy bars, these are the 5 different sizes, and this is how we're going to do it. So you've got your first columns done, and it said next you're going to format your columns D and E to be currency. So what you do is you come over to D, click on the D, right mouse click to numbers format. Now whenever you're buying candy, it's going to cost you money. So what we're going to do is change this into money. 2 decimal points, the symbol, click OK, and the total cost is going to be currency also. We do the same thing, right mouse click, number format, currency, make sure it's 2 decimal points, $sign, click OK.